Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to channel for daily hands-on reviews of the best gear in the tech world. Today, we're showcasing one of the sleekest and most refined PC cases on the market, the MSI MEG Maestro 700L PZ Premium Mid-Tower Gaming Case. Whether you're building your dream rig or upgrading your current setup, this chassis screams premium. With its tempered glass side panel, the Maestro 700L PZ turns your internal components into a showpiece, letting you spotlight your graphics card, RGB memory, and liquid cooling setup with crystal clarity. The front of the case features a vented, high airflow panel designed to keep your system cool even under heavy gaming loads. It doesn't just look aggressive, it's functional, allowing fresh air to hit your components directly. Combine that with support for up to a 360mm radiator and you've got a case built to handle the most demanding liquid cooling configurations without breaking a sweat. Inside, the layout is clean, smart, and builder-friendly. The spacious mid-tower design gives you compatibility with full ATX motherboards, oversized GPUs, multiple SSDs, and plenty of cable management options to keep things tidy and airflow optimized. The Maestro doesn't just give you room, it gives you control. And if you love a quiet, well-insulated case, this one's got you covered. The solid build, premium materials, and subtle MSI branding give it a pro-level finish. No over-the-top RGB gimmicks, just refined performance aesthetics. From hardcore gamers to content creators, this case is ready for your next high-performance build. Whether you're going all air, full AIO, or custom loop, the Maestro 700L PZ is engineered for flexibility and thermal dominance. If you're looking for a premium mid-tower that balances design, airflow, and compatibility, the MSI MEG Maestro 700L PZ is easily one of the top-tier options in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the Amazon link below if you're ready to start your next masterpiece. See you in the next review only on Gadgetverse.